Hello, my dear fourth class children. Yesterday already we discussed the nerve reproduction in animals, no children. Yes. Today, yes, we will go through the textual objective question and answers, amma. Okay, if you have textbook, please open it, amma. If you have textbook, please open the textbook, amma. Okay, textbook is there with you. Open the textbook. I will tell you blanks, one word answers and true or false. Okay, page number 32 open. Page number 32, reproduction in animals. Lesson number 4, reproduction in animals. They given unscramble the following words. Here they given unscramble the following words. Okay, see the first one. Yes, it is clear. First one, unscramble the following words. Okay, page number 32, lesson number 4. Open the textbook. Unscramble the following words. First one, carnivores. 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 Okay, come on, say. Okay, second one see herbivores. Okay, third one omnivores. Fourth one parasite scavengers. Okay, write correct spelling. Write correct spelling. Okay, first one carnivore. Okay, what is the spelling of carnivore? Page number 32. Page number 32. Unscramble the following words. First one carnivores. 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 Write carefully spelling. Carnivores. Second one they given herbivores. Correct it. Herbivores. Herbivores. Okay, third one omnivores. Omnivores. Okay, now fourth one scavenger. Scavengers. Scavengers. Okay, enter all these scavengers. Okay, now page number 33. Page number 33. Open, amma. I will show the textbook. Okay, I will show the textbook, children. See here, they given blanks. They given only 3 blanks here. Okay, see here. Yes, first, who look after their young ones properly, children? Yes, human beings also look after their young ones for a long time. Okay, so human beings, mammals. Okay, examples of mammals, human beings, no. So mammals look after their young ones properly. Okay, read the second question. The process by which living things reproduce more of their own kind, okay, is called reproduction. What is called reproduction? The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Okay, mammals are warm-blooded animals. What is the meaning of warm-blooded animals, ma? Mammals are warm-blooded animals, no. Their body temperature remains constant, ma. Okay, if outside surrounding is cool, okay, we does not change our body temperature. Okay, na, so the body temperature remain constant irrespective of variable climatic conditions. Okay, na, so warm blooded means body temperature does not change, they remains the constant. Okay, enter all these. Okay, who look after their young ones? Mammals. Spelling right carefully. MAMMALS. Mammals. Okay, second one reproduction. Okay, reproduction. Already you have to learn last year also. Okay, and the third one warm-blooded. Okay, mammals are warm-blooded. WARM. Warm-blooded animals. Okay, page number 36 open. Page number 36. Yes, I will show the textbook. See here, they given 4 pictures here. Okay, na? Yes, circle the animals that give birth to young ones directly. Okay, cockroach. Is it give birth directly to their young ones? No, it lay the eggs. Now, one aunt is there, one lady is there. Yes, is she giving birth to their young ones? Yes. Okay, circle this picture. Okay, circle. Okay, what they are asking here, what they ask here, circle the animal that give birth to young ones directly. Okay, lady also, yes, give birth directly to their their young ones. Okay, and see frog, frog, is it give birth directly to their young ones? No, it lay the cluster of eggs at a time in the pond water. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, now yes, cow also give birth directly to their young ones, no children? Yes, cows, buffaloes, goat, sheep, all these directly give birth to their young ones. So this is also correct. Okay, circle all these, circle two only. Okay, na, circle these two. Okay, this is not, this is the frog lay the eggs. Now okay, here they are asking true or false, ma? All birds lay the eggs. Are all birds lay eggs, children? Yes, keep true. Second question, see, the eggs of a fish are called span. Wrong. The eggs of a fish is called roe. So the eggs of a fish are called span. False. 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 Okay, keep false, ma. Okay, now third question, see, reptiles like snake, lizards and turtles lay their eggs in water. That's why it is false. Reptiles lay eggs on the ground or holes in the ground. That's why it is false. Okay, they lay the eggs on the ground, but here they given in water. That's why it is false. Okay, now the process by which insects shed their skin is called molting. It's true. Okay, some insects lost their skin. Okay, number of times it shed their skin, that is called molting. That's why it is true. Okay, cockroaches sheds its skin, baby cockroach nymph several times sheds its skin. Okay, na. And fifth one, see, the white part of an egg is called yolk. Is it true, children? No, it is false. Why? The white part of an egg is called albumen, but here they given yolk. That's why it is false. Okay? All birds lay the eggs. Page number, yes children, page number 36. Page number 36. Write true or false. True or false. First one, true. Okay, second one, yeah, the eggs of a fish are called span. False. Okay, third one, reptiles lay eggs in the water. False. Okay, fourth one, okay, shed their skin. Okay, true. Okay, fifth one, white part of an egg is called yolk. False. Enter all these, children. Now, page number 37. Okay. Page number 37, MCQs. Page number 37, multiple choice questions they are asking. Okay, I will show the textbook. Okay, here eggs of a frog hatch into. Okay, see here, the eggs of a frogs hatch into tadpole. Okay, option B correct. Next, see, which are the following does not reproduce by laying eggs? Snake lay the eggs, cockroach lay the eggs, eagle lay the eggs. What they are asking, which are the following does not reproduce by laying eggs? So cow does not reproduce by laying eggs. Remaining three reproduce by laying eggs, but a cow directly giving birth to their young ones. So this option is correct. Now third question, see, the larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. So the larva of housefly is called maggot. Okay, this is the cockroach larva. Okay, the larva of a, yes, this is the pupa, third stage of the butterfly, no children? Yes. Okay, caterpillar change into pupa, no? Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, the larva of butterfly is called caterpillar. Now fourth question, the white part of the egg is called what we call amma? Albumen. The white part of the egg is called albumen. Yellow part of the egg is called yolk. The baby bird is called embryo. Okay, housefly. This is the maggot. Larva of housefly is called maggot. So white part of an egg is called albumen. Enter all these. Egg of a frog. Frog baby is called tadpole. It looks like a fish. It breathes through gills. It has tail. Okay, enter all these. Third one, caterpillar. Fourth one, yes, see, albumen. Okay, now true or false they given. Okay, same page, option. This is option. Okay, Roman A. Now go to the Roman B. They given true or false. Okay, write true or false. Okay, children, first one. Okay, see here. They given here again true or they given 5 true or false here. They given 5 question and answers here. Okay, they given 5 questions for you. Read first question. The yellow part inside an egg is called albumen. Yellow part of egg is called yolk, no? So yellow part inside the egg is called albumen. Is it true or false? Yes, it is a false. Now second question, see. All living beings reproduce by giving birth to babies. All, they given here all living beings reproduce by giving birth to babies and also lay the eggs, no children. Some living beings giving birth to babies, some living beings some living beings reproduce by giving birth to babies, some living beings reproduce by laying eggs. That's why it is false. Okay, all, they are asking all living beings reproduce by giving birth to babies. That's why it is false. Third question, reptiles do not look after their babies. Reptiles do not look after their babies. Yes, true. Okay, reptiles do not take care of their young ones, children. Only mammals look after their young ones. Okay, now fourth question. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. Is it true or false? It is a true. Fifth question. A frog's eggs hatch into a pupa. A frog eggs hatch into a tadpole, no? But here they given pupa. That's why it is false. Okay, right, false. Okay, first one false. First one false. Okay, second one also false. Third one true. Okay, fourth one true. Fifth one false. Okay, here they are asking here one word question and answer, Samma. One word. Give one word answer for the following. First question, read. The baby which comes out of the egg of a cockroach. The young one of a cockroach is called nymph. 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 Okay, now next question, see. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. The larva of a housefly, they are asking housefly. The larva of a housefly is called maggot. Okay, third question, see. The eggs of a frog hatches into, the egg of a frog hatches into this tadpole. Tadpole, tadpole. Now next question. The growing baby inside the eggs of a bird. Embryo. 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 Up, okay. Page number 37. C Roman. Page number 37. C Roman. Okay, page number 37. C Roman. CM. One word questions. Okay, one word they are asking. First one, NYMPH, nymph. NYMPH, nymph. Okay, second one, the larva of a housefly. The larva of a housefly is called maggot. G-G-O-T, maggot. Okay, third one. Egg of a frog hatches into tadpole. T-A-D-P-O-L-E, tadpole. Now, the growing baby inside the egg is called embryo. E-M-B-R-Y-O, embryo. Okay, children, and they given here matching for you. Matching. See here matching. Match the following. Tadpole. Yes, tadpole. Yes, frog. Tadpole is the young one of a frog. The young one of a frog is called tadpole. Eggshell is the protective covering. Okay, eggshell protects the protective covering. No, children, protects the yolk. Means inside the yolk embryo is formed. No, baby birds are formed inside the yolk. No, children. So eggshell protective covering. So yolk provide nutrition. Yolk provide nutrition to the developing baby. Okay, developing embryo is nothing but baby. Okay, now mammal. Is it a mammal? Okay, is a dog or lizard? Mammal is match with E, dog. Mammal is a dog. Reptile is a lizard. I come again. Tadpole, frog. Eggshell, protective covering. Yolk provides nutrition to the developing embryo. Okay, mammal is a dog. Reptile is a lizard. Okay, enter all these. Enter all these. D Roman. Here D Roman. Okay, matching amma. D Roman matching. M-A-T-C-H-I-N-G matching. Okay, come on, keep all the options. B, C, D, E. Okay, A. Enter all these, children. Enter all these. Fifth one, A, children. Fifth one. Yes, fifth one. Fourth one, E. Fifth one, yes, fifth one, A. Okay. Okay, is it clear? Yes, it is very clear. Okay, children, today you have to read the textbook lesson. First read textbook lesson. Okay, and after complete it, you have to read true or false matching one word answers. Okay, and question and answers. Okay, children, bye, take care.